Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and it is time to get back on the Monday grind. Are you ready? Let's do this. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today we got a nice lineup for you. Decent casual lineup for your Gears 3, your Gears 2, and your Gear Sport. And let's start off with number 1. This one is called Gear Watchface Latvia. Very nice looking watch face. I like it. It's a basic watch face in always on mode. It has a nice look. It's pretty much for the most part blacked out, but when the watch face is on, you get red and white. Now you can't customize the color. There's no other customization to this. What you get is what you see. Now you will get your step information, everything that has to do with exercising, all the way down to your heart rate. You also get your day, your month, and your date. I like that. And you also get digital time along with analog, which gives this a very good look. And way down at the bottom, you are going to get your battery percentage. I thought this was a good look. This video is not going to do it justice. It's a free download. Matter of fact, all 3 watch faces that we're going to review today are going to be free downloads. You can't beat free. So check this out in the Gear Manager store for yourself. Watch face number 2. Now, the name of this watch face is called Dash. Dash is nice. Now, in the always on mode, you got the time, but it's really, really small. If I were to say anything bad about this watch face, it would be that I wish the time was bigger in the always on mode. But when you got the watch face on, great look. You get the best of both worlds, digital and analog time. Now this is the 24-hour time. You also can get this in 12 hours as well. Now what I like about the design is you got a few dials. If you look at the one at the top, that's going to give you your day. Now you really can't see Sunday, but it's also going to give you a date in the middle. It highlights it as the day is going on. I like that. Then over here you get your seconds. Over here you're going to get your battery percentage. Again, down here you get your digital time. I thought this was definitely a great look. I like the background. I like the design. I like where the developer was going with this. So again, I'm going to go ahead and give it 2 thumbs up. All right, you all, hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. Watch face number 3. This one is called Frost A1 watch face. Make sure you put in the whole name. And with this watch face, I do like it in the always on mode, different look, but I like it. And you can see the time a lot better. Now, with this one, when the watch face is on, good look. It's a casual dressed down watch face. Now, or you can pretty much consider this a work watch face that gives you everything that you could possibly need. You can make a phone call, you can go into your contacts, you can check out your email, go into settings. You can also find your phone, go into your S Health. It has everything that you could possibly need out of a watch face. Now, up at the top, for those of you all who are using S Voice, you can use S Voice, right? If I tap right here, what I like is that I could change the time. That's nice. I thought that was a nice look. I'm going to give this one a thumbs up automatically. Now here, of course, these are inactive. If you tap on them, you can go into them, and tapping on the time here, you can go in and you can also set an alarm. So I'm liking the look of this watch face. This is not a bad look. And if I double tap right here, well, single tap, I could go ahead and I can go through the different colors. I mean, these are pretty much spring colors, but it's still a nice look. When spring comes, you are prepared. But I like it. Different, but I like it. Check this one out in the Gear Manager store. I'm telling you, you are gonna love it. All right, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.